Gonna cut through the glue, you're gonna make the face.
Both.
There we go. And welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys had a great day. I had a pretty great day myself. Dwix and I have been working 12s. But in this video, we will be showing you guys how to turn that door into that. We actually recorded before, but the footage wasn't that good. It got dark. We had phone light. That's about it. Our stand lights and stuff actually burned out, so we had to go buy new ones. But enough talking. Let's get to the video. This will be your guys' outcome. Alright, so first thing, we'll have 10s and 12s. Roll your window down. Dwix, you could go ahead. It'll align up right here. This is how you undo your window, so you don't break anything. And then now, you will slide it, the side towards the rear of the car. Yeah. I can't talk right now for some reason, dude. And tongue-tied. But we'll be getting all these 10s. Just undo all these 10s that you see. And then you can also do these because you won't be using this anymore. And catch you guys in a second. Alright, so the 12s that you will need to take out if you want to, if you're changing your hinges, will be right here. But we're not. We're using stock hinges for now. There'll be 10s here, but we don't need to mess with that. With the seal, you want to be careful with it because it's still good. So once you get a piece of it, you're going to want to slide it one way, and it'll undo itself. There we go. Oh, these ones are orange. The ones on that door is green.
Yeah.
Continue along with that throughout the whole door. Above the top, I believe it just folds over. So once you get right here, it'll peel down. You'll see once you do it. Alright, now once you guys get that done, you guys can start unhooking this lever. It goes right here, dudes. There's a little push locks. I'll show them over here. So the rod goes in right here. Pause. And then this flicks over and clicks and locks the rod in place so it doesn't pop out. And that's what pulls this. But we will also be needing to shift this over here. So whenever we cut, we do not cut into this lock. Once you get those, you can grab your drill and then take out these Phillips right here and take out the handle to where you could save those rods for later for maybe another vehicle. Okay, here's the fun part. I already marked it up with a yellow marker as always of where we're going to cut. We come along this way, go down across the part that comes up, go all the way around flush with this. And then from right here, we'll be cutting from where it ends all the way down. And then you'll see where it curves up along right here also. Straight down. But we will undo these Phillips, pull this lock in a little bit so we don't cut straight through our lock. Yeah, guys, let's get it. Door hinge out, let's start cutting. Alright guys, so once you guys get it cut, the bottom part will be able to move, but this top part's not, even if you cut along right here. The reason being is because it's spot welded to this window track. So there's spot welds along right here that you can see, so our spot weld bit will come in handy. This side also, but this side's bolted right here. So once you get rid of this spot weld, around this 10, and then there's some right here where this plate goes to. Alright, Dwix, we're losing daylight. So, you can pull from this way, and you should be able to swivel it back and forth until it pops off. There's that side. One more. One little piece. Alright guys, so once this piece is off, there's this double side piece where you did the spot welds. Dwix is getting the little seal or trim off that holds on the window track. But since that's off, now we're able to cut right here and then cut down here. Once we peel this off, we'll be able to cut this side off all the way completely, and then we'll take care of this bash bar. I don't know what you call the sidebar, but we will have to undo these spot welds 1, 2, 3, and 4, and on this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one right here. Okay, so to remove the glue from the bar, you get an old cable like a throttle cable and stuff like that. Move your arms back and forth. You gotta put some force on it, Dwix. No, not like that, bro. You gotta saw through it. You gotta saw through it, bro. Want to switch? Alright, take two. I got Dwix some gloves. Make sure you put some force on it. Don't just make the face. Cut through the glue. Oh, come on, bro.
Son of a bitch.
Now cut through the glue, you're gonna make the face.
Both.
There we go. Alright, so now, I apologize about the wind. You will be cutting down in the middle of this. Not yet. You have to cut it first. Once you cut it, then you go probably around right here. You don't want to hit the skin of the door. So you shove a piece of wood underneath it and then cut the rest of the way. So, right here, as I said, you're going to cut probably around 75% through, then shove the piece of wood underneath it. So since this is in the middle with the glue, I'll be cutting right here. If you have a street car and you're driving on the street, do not take this bar out because it's only this bar and the B pillar right here protecting you if you get hit from the side. Okay, so now, once you get this, you see how it moves a little bit? Now you can shove this piece of wood right here so you protect yourself from the skin of the door. But I'll put a new blade on so I can actually reach it because this is so thick that it chewed up my wheel. Fresh wheel, hopefully we could be able to grab this. should be able to come out. This is a 4.5 inch cut wheel. So let's see if this bar comes out. Just cut a little more. Spot welds are definitely gone on that side. That side. Oh, did we forget one? We forgot one. Right here.
Oh, man.
See, as you can tell, spot welds are everywhere. Here's both sides of the bar. This is probably the heaviest part of the door, guys. So, for this to the side, this is all the parts of the cut door. I'll probably be doing something with you guys guessing the weight of what I cut on Tonka. I don't think I'm going to include the doors, but to get this off, you could just take a nice scraping razor blade. This stuff does weigh, but even if you say it doesn't weigh, it's going to look a lot nicer if you scrape this little glue off. But we'll cut this side, get all nice and clean, we'll flap disc it, and conclude this video. Man, he must have been. He took out a loan on Tonka. That's a big ass splatter ball. No.
You gonna kill it or what?
I got purple power, man. Cut that off.
Shit, that was a big ass spider.
Bro.
He can't fit the grinder back in that corner, so he's just gotta wiggle it. Slacking.
See? You know what I noticed?
What?
I'm actually probably just gonna bend it up and cut right here.
Hey.
You're actually being able
Ideas.
to talk on camera a little better.
Yeah.
Because the other times, you can see me talking, I'm trying to get you to start talking, and you're like, yeah.
Yeah, whatever, motherfucker.
Razor scraper.
Yeah, this fool's saying razor as he's over here using a damn pry bar. You gonna cut it or just make the face?
I might just make the face, apparently.
There's one. Oh, there it goes. One down. 6 to go.
And there it is. How to cut your doors, stuff like that. How to make race doors, whatever you want to call it. We will be installing Lexan sometime, but not in this video. I do not have Lexan. I'm waiting on their MR material, which is scratch resistant. But we have 2 fully cut doors for Tonka. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, but this is it. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay sane, keep fucking gunning, and I'll catch you guys next time.